Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. I wonder how many of you guys remember when I made those hoop earrings, because so many of you really enjoyed that DIY and really liked the design. So I decided to twist it a little bit and let's see what happened. So I basically started with a piece of copper wire which was 18 inches long, bent it in half, and then using this tremendous little tool called toothpick, I twisted and twisted and twisted the wire until the twisted part was twisted. Just kidding, until it was 4 inches long. Oh, by the way, I was gonna go for a bigger hoop initially, but then I changed my mind halfway through, as I sometimes do. Oops! So you can see me trimming quite a bit off, which is a bit of a waste, but I will live. And then I made one bit of the wire into an earring post and the other one got curled into a pretty little spiral. I also filed the earring post a little because I decided I didn't really want to get my ears scratched, and then gave the earring a nice round shape using a glitter container, since that was the perfect size for it, and I also found it very aesthetically pleasing. Now, since the little spiral looks so lonely, I had to give it a friend, and I decided to stick a tiny little turquoise stone onto it with my E6000 glue, which is, by the way, my favorite glue at the moment. And I don't know about you, but combining copper and turquoise colors gives me a great feeling of satisfaction. This next earring got created almost the same way, but this time I combined gold and silver wires together, and also I didn't waste any. Yay! So after finishing the earring post bit, I created 2 more spirals on the other side, and I made this earring really quite big this time, and since I love sparkly stuff, there was simply no way for me not to stick a crystal on. Of course, more the merrier, so here I am, sticking little crystals onto the other 2 spirals. Oh, I really do think it looks stunning. Oh, and you can make your earring post bags too. I made mine with some hot glue a while ago. If you want to see how, go and check out this video here. Of course, after I show you the last pair of earrings that's been made almost identically to the first pair, this time with gold wire, 14 inches long, and I'm using these nylon jaw pliers. By the way, they are great since they are so gentle and don't scratch the wire at all. And of course, I'm giving the little spiral a little pearl friend this time. Gold and pearls go so well together. If only they were the real deal. I really hope you enjoyed this DIY, and as always, I would love for you to try it out and, let me know what you think. I will see you next time. Love you all. Bye.